In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change dictionary languages in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys today. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by first left clicking on the File tab up at the top left of our Excel window. And then you want to go down and left click on Options near the bottom. Now you want to go left click on the Proofing tab on the left. And underneath dictionary language right here, you want to click inside the drop down and then change it to whatever language you want to use in the dictionary. So pretty straightforward. I do hope I was able to help you guys out. Just left click on OK once you're done, and that should be about it. So I do hope I helped you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.